Want to make your Roblox UI buttons look a little more polished? In this tutorial, we're going to create this animated shine effect that sweeps across a button. And the nice thing is, it only needs one image and about 15 lines of code. Let's get started. First, here's what I already have. Inside Starter GUI, I have a screen GUI called Gradient Button GUI. Inside that, there's a text button called Gradient Button. The button already has a golden background, rounded corners, a bronze outline, a little gloss strip, and the word gift with a shadow. But none of those things are required for the shine effect. You can use this effect on pretty much any button. There are just 3 important things we'll work with: the button's corner radius, clipping, and a new image for the shine. Creating the shine image. The effect itself is just one image. We need a soft white diagonal streak on a completely transparent background. Basically, think of a bright band going from one corner to the other, with soft blurry edges so it fades out naturally. You can create this in any image editor or use an image you already have. Just make sure it's a transparent PNG with a soft white streak. Once you have it, open the Asset Manager in Roblox Studio. Then import your image. After Roblox approves the image, right-click it and choose Copy Asset ID. The ID you get will be different from mine, so make sure you use your own. Adding the shine to the button. Now select Gradient Button. Add an image label inside it. And rename it Shine. Set the image property to your uploaded image. Paste the asset ID into the image property. Next, let's remove the image label's background. Set background transparency to 1. Keep image color 3 white, and set image transparency to around 0.25. This makes the shine look more like a soft glow instead of a solid white bar. Now comes the important part. We're going to make the shine image larger than the button. This allows the diagonal streak to completely cover the button as it moves across. Set scale type to stretch and set the ZIndex to 3 so the shine appears above the other UI elements. For the starting position, we want the shine to be completely outside the left side of the button. Set position to x -0.6, y 0.5, so the shine is waiting just outside the button. At the moment, our image label is much bigger than the button, so part of it will stick outside. To fix that, select the gradient button again, then enable ClipsDescendants. This makes the button act like a mask, so the shine is only visible inside the button. One thing to keep in mind, Roblox clipping uses a rectangle. Now let's make the shine move. Add a local script inside the button. We'll call it Shine Animator. We're using a local script because this is a client-side UI effect. There's no need to run it on the server. Here's the complete script. We start by getting TweenService, which Roblox provides for smooth UI movement. Then we get the button, which is the script's parent, and find the shine image label. We're using wait for child to make sure the image exists before we try to move it. Next, we have 2 positions. Start is -0.6, which is just outside the left side of the button. Finish is 1.6, which puts it just outside the right side, so the shine travels completely across the button. Then we have sweep time. I've set this to 0.6 seconds. That's how long one shine takes to travel across the button. Then there's pause, which I've set to 2 seconds. That's how long the button waits before the next shine starts. These 2 values control most of the feeling of the effect, so feel free to experiment with them. Next is the tween info. We're using a quad-out easing style. That means the shine starts moving quickly and then smoothly slows down near the end. It feels a little more natural than moving at a completely constant speed. Finally, we have the loop. At the beginning of every cycle, we instantly move the shine back to the starting position. Then, we create a tween that moves it to the finish position. We play the tween and wait for it to finish. After that, we wait for 2 seconds, and then the whole thing starts again. So the animation is simply snap back, Sweep across, pause, repeat. Now let's hit play. And there we go. The shine sweeps across the button, pauses for a moment, and then comes back again. You can use this on shop buttons, reward buttons, play buttons, gift buttons, or basically any UI button where you want a little extra polish. And that's our animated shine button. It's a really simple effect, but it can make your Roblox UI feel much more polished. One transparent image, ClipsDescendants, and a small tween loop are all you need. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.